If your Frigidaire refrigerator is acting up, like temperature issues, ice maker glitches, or error codes, resetting it can often fix the problem quickly and save you a service call. Hey everyone, welcome back to HnKParts. Today we'll walk you through simple steps to reset your fridge at home. Let's get started. Before we start, grab your Frigidaire user manual, a clean dry cloth and a screwdriver for the defrost timer. First, for a basic power reset, great for electronic glitches or after outages. Unplug your fridge, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then plug it back in. This recalibrates the system. For the control panel, hold the power cool and power freezer buttons for 10 seconds to factory reset. If it's the water filter light, press and hold the filter status button for 3 to 5 seconds until it shows good. For alarms like PF or SB, press the mute or specific combo buttons as per your model. Check your manual. Temperature issues? Adjust settings on the panel and give it time to stabilize. For the defrost timer, unplug the refrigerator to ensure safety. Locate it at the bottom or back, unscrew the panel, turn the notch anti-clockwise until it clicks, wait 30 minutes, then reassemble. After any reset, monitor for a few hours to ensure it's cooling properly. If problems persist, it might be a faulty part like the thermostat or compressor. For more detailed steps in troubleshooting, head over to our blog at HnKParts. It's packed with pro tips. Need replacement parts like thermostats, filters, or coils? Shop genuine Frigidaire parts at HnKParts. Fast shipping and expert advice to keep your appliances running smoothly. Follow us on social media for more DIY tips, deals, and appliance hacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.